welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing dumpling or momos recipe with the soup. So guys, I'm cooking today the dumpling. It's a Indian styles or Nepalese styles. So guys, this is a very famous dumpling, or we call momos in India. It's very famous dish. So usually I'm at least once a week I'm cooking, but today finally I'm showing my way how I'm cooking dumpling. So guys, this is the little bit long process, but I'm going to make in shorter. So I already made a momos chutney in last recipe. You can see this is already made, so I don't need to make any chutney. So I'm making soup first, then I'm showing how to make momos or dumplings. So guys, I have got lots of things, so I'm going to explain you slowly. First, I have got 1 kg lamb mince. So we need a little bit 20% fat there. We need a little bit greasiness in our dumpling, otherwise it will be very dry. So this is got for soup, mutton bone only for soup, half kg. 3 white chopped onion for momos, and I have got lots of gingers, at least 4 tablespoons, 6 to 7 crushed garlic, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri powder. This is not chili powder, this is for coloring. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. You can see it's a very less amount I'm taking for soup. 1 whole onion peeled, half teaspoon of cumin seed, and 3 teaspoons of salt. Spring onion 1 handful, 2 green chili long sliced, handful of coriander leaves, 1 courgette for soup, pak choy, beans sprout for soup. So guys, I want to explain what's the difference between, this is the plain flour. In the UK, we are not in India, so plain flour in India we called Atta. So you can't make momos in Atta, so it's a different way in the UK. This is the plain flour, and now this is the self-rising. I believe the self-rising is similar like a maida. So if you cook momos in UK in self-rising flour, it will be very thick atta. So we avoid to eat this one. This is, I think this is for this all cakes and bakery. So I'm going to use the plain flour. That means it's 250 grams. So guys, first I'm making soup because it takes long time. So you can cook in the cooker or slow cooker, but I like to cook in very big pot because we love our soup. So I'm cooking extra. So we're going to put first the oil, very little amount of oil, because we don't want our soup is very greasy or oily. Let it warm. So its oil is hot. So first I'm going to put cumin seed. Fry a little bit. Then I'm going to add the sliced onion. Then let it brown a little bit. So guys, you can make a soup, it's very plain or clear soup, or without spices or any spicy. So I'm making a little bit with spices. So it's a little bit brown now. I'm going to add the meat. Fry 2-3 minutes. So after 2-3 minutes fry, then add the coriander powder, Kashmiri chili, chili powder, then salt, 1.5 teaspoon. Then mix all together. Then keep frying. After 2-3 minutes fry, then I'm going to add lamb mince, only 2 spoons. thickness of the soup. Then keep frying till the all masala's rawness gone. So after 10 minutes frying, add the green chili. Then keep frying. So after 10-15 minutes frying, you see the oil is separate little bit. Then I'm going to put the boiled hot water, lots of hot water. Then when you put the lots of hot water, then cover up. Then cook at least 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes. So next I'm making dough. So I'm going to add salt, 1 teaspoon. So guys, you can put accounting your taste. Then I take warm water, not very cold water. Then slowly put, then make the dough. Not very thin or not very hard. Then just make a dough and let it rest at least 20 to 30 minutes. Cover up and leave in one side. So guys, next I'm preparing the mince for dumpling. So first I'm going to add chopped onion, 2 spoons of ginger, coriander leaves, and spring onion, teaspoon of the salt. So guys, you can put according to your taste. Then just mix it all together very nicely. So this is a 1 kg mince, so I just put 2 only onion. If you put more than 2 or 3 onions, it will be taste like a sweetness. So don't put too much onions. Guys, people are cooking different way. Some people are putting masalas or momo masalas, lots of other things. Guys, next I'm going to put little bit oil in the steamer. So make sure no stick our dumpling. So next guys, I'm making dumpling now. So you can see I take the dough like that. Then keep doing. Then I'm making small size like that, very small. So I'm making only this size, so I'm leaving little bit thickness in the middle and thin in this side. I'm going to put meat like that. Then fold it. One shape is like that. So guys, I'm showing you another shape as well, round one. So just keep folding like this in one place. Then squeeze in the top. And this is the round shape. Guys, I made 2 different type of shapes. One is like this and one is round. So this is my steamer last part of the pot. So I put the water and let it boil. Now it's nearly boiled. So I'm going to replace this steamer. Then let it cook at least 30 to 35 minutes. Slow gas. So next is the soup nearly ready. So I'm going to add the courgette. I'm going to cook another chutney in the middle. Then I'm going to put the soup. So this is the soup. So I'm going to garnish soup first. I'm put little bit bean sprout, pak choy, spring onion, and coriander. And lime. So guys, this is our very delicious dinner tonight. So it takes time, but it's worth it. So guys, you must try this recipe. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.